Hi guys, for this video guys, kakain ako ngayon guys ng Coco Crunch. Ito guys. Ito ang kakainin ko ngayon guys. Oh, ito guys, Coco Crunch. Sarap siguro to guys. So, okay guys. Ano natin guys ganito guys. Coco Crunch. Lagyan pa to guys ng mainit na tubig. Ito guys. Ayan, lagay. Tapos, ano siya guys? Oh. Choco rings. Choco rings siya guys. Oh. Bilog oh. Parang, guys. Okay, guys. Tapos, lagyan natin ng guys. Lagyan natin ng guys. Bear Brand. Ito guys, lagyan natin ng Bear Brand guys. Lagyan natin guys ng Bear Brand. Ito na guys. Ito na guys oh. Okay na. Tapos lagyan ito guys ng guys. Lagyan ito ng mainit na tubig. Init na tubig guys. Ito guys oh. Lagyan na mainit na tubig. Okay. Sarap to guys. Okay guys. Haluin na natin guys oh. Sarap to guys. Oh, ito na guys oh. Sarap to guys. Tikman natin guys oh. Oh.
Patikim na tito.
Yung pamangkin ko guys, kain daw siya. Sarap to guys. Ito guys. Guys. Coco Crunch. Okay guys.